Skittles got another package with her bright ass. Girl, you know I love you though. Okay, you know I love you. But I'm gonna tell you this right here. If you want to keep having me to keep on speaking for, your little videos, you're gonna have to start paying me. Okay? I hope you heard that. All right. So which one do you have now? Let's see. Oh, you're not ready. Oh, so you didn't have this ready knowing you was going to do this damn video. God damn. What the fuck? Well, anywho, let's see. Okay, this one looks kind of just black. What is it? Oh, okay. I guess we got to wait until we see what's in a freebie. A scrunchie! You never can have enough scrunchies, baby. Let's see, what else? A razor comb! Are you listening, Skittles? Please don't say the thingy. Use this thingy. It's a razor comb. And that's cool. They put that. And another cat. Oh, I'm taking that one. I'm taking that one. And nothing else? Okay. Well, you know what? That's nice. And you keep getting those. What is that? I don't know, some type of kumbaya, I don't know, what, a lucky charm? Anywho, let's see, okay, let's see what she got now. You was looking like Ronald McDonald before, you was looking like Barney with that purple one that you had, let's see, you was looking like Pat Benatar. What? Oh, they didn't put the paper inside to keep it molded. Okay, looks like some pink curls. Oh, you had the purple one. Yeah, you had the red one. I remember. You had the beige one. And now you got a bright. Oh, okay, so you're trying to get the whole collection with your bright ass. Okay, pink curls. All right. Let's see what you're going to look like today. Are you gonna show us like what's under it to see, okay, this is the back. It's pretty short. Okay. I'm starting to see how you doing this now, Skittles. So maybe I could be a little commentary voiceover for you. But I'm gonna need some coins, bitch. Okay. Alright, so how many combs you got? Alright. Okay, let's see. How many combs? 2. I guess this is the magic goddamn number. Why do they keep on putting just 2 combs? What? At least 4, at least. Okay, you got your bra straps. Okay. Alright, yeah. Is I'm loud? I'm not doing a good job? What's the problem? Hurry up, put it on. Yeah. You always complaining about something, girl. Let's see. What? You look like grandma. But let's see. Maybe you got it all backwards. Let's see. All right, Mary Poppins. Bitch. Mary Poppins. Pop. I don't know, Skittles. What you gonna do with this one, honey? Your head big as shit, though. I don't know about this one. Does it fit? It's just, baby. But I know you'll do your good job. Yeah, I know you're gonna do it. Mary Poppins. All you need is that umbrella. I know you're gonna slay it. Oh,